Okay, I'm gonna program some keys using this. I don't even remember what kind of tablet this is. It's BBS something maybe. It's just for programming keys and remotes. Bought it off of Amazon. I did another video on it for. I think I did the truck in it. Got to do the spare keys for the wife's Acadia. I'll try and get this one. So all you're gonna do, we're gonna plug it in now. It's got an accessory jack on here, so you can plug it in. It's gonna come on here. I think maybe you can see it, I don't know. It's coming on. I got light doing crazy stuff on this thing. Anyway, we're just gonna hit continue, F1. And then you're gonna hit immobilizer, which is right there, the little arrow. If you go down, you'll see it goes 1. So you're going to hit immobilizer, hit enter, which is right over here. And then it's going to come up with what kind of cars it does. We got Acura, Alfa, Audi, Buick, Cadillac, Chevy, Chrysler, Citroen. Does quite a bit of different cars on here. I think this does European, American, Mexican, and Asian too. Going to come down to GMC, hit enter. It's already on Acadia, 07 through 12 Acadia, hit enter. And then I need to plug in the cable up under here. I got it running because it's cold out here, but hold on, let me plug this thing in. Insert key and turn on the console. Let me turn it off. Turn it back on. Okay, we did that. And it's connecting now after I hit enter. And then it's just going to say program new keys. Immobilizer reading, ID reading, reset error, preset errors, errors reset. We're just going to program key right there. Nope, hold on, stop. Then you just wait. And I'll turn this thing back on a little bit if we wait. It's SBB Pro 2. It was the cheapest one they had. It was still cheaper than having a hell of a lot cheaper than having somebody come out here and program keys for me. A lot cheaper. You know, by the time I had them come out and program keys for the truck and keys for the Grand Marquis and keys for this thing, it'd have been 3 times what I paid for it at least. But I had to wait. It was on a slow boat from China, so I had to wait quite a bit to get the thing. But it works good. As long as you got it plugged in here, if it says it's not reading, it won't pick up the VIN off your cable. Check your connection here. And still waiting. 208 seconds. I think last time it took 500, 600 seconds, something like that. 450, 500, 520, somewhere in there to program these things. So it's just a wait thing. And we should be coming up here shortly. We're at 500 seconds or 500 something. Then we just have to do the other key. I'm just doing this one, and then that's it for this one. I'll program the other ones. I'm not making you watch me program another key because it's just wait on this thing. And these were just spare keys because when we bought this thing salvage and got a smoking deal on it, it was a flood vehicle. And flood vehicle. The only water in here was in the battery tray, which is down under the back seat on the floor pan over there. And basically put a battery in it and serviced it. And I don't know what these things are worth, but I can tell you this: all told, we got less than $1,500 in it. It's '09, no damage whatsoever. Paint's good, body's good. Only had 140,000 miles, maybe something like that. Runs really good. Bought it for the wife. She wanted something newer, and saw it at the auction. Got it. Like I said, we serviced it. Me and my son changed all the fluids on it just to make sure it did, because it's a flood vehicle. We wanted to make sure it didn't have water in anything. Really, it didn't. We serviced the transaxle, the rear end, engine oil, transmission. This thing's all-wheel drive. It's like a 6 or 8 speaker sound system in here. I usually don't buy GM products, but the wife liked it, so she got it. And we're still going at 600 something.